We encourage you
Welcome
to watch
to the
and
new
play with this
Camtasia
Getting
Studio.
Started project video.
We encourage you to watch and play with this Getting Started project video to learn some of the most important concepts of using the editor.
That will walk you through the entire
If
process
you want more
of
in-depth
recording,
tutorials that will
editing,
walk you
and
through
sharing
the
your
entire
videos,
process
then
of
please
recording,
watch the Getting
editing,
Started
and
tutorials
sharing your
using this
videos,
link under the
then
help
please
menu.
watch the Getting Started tutorials
The
using
editor
this
is
link
divided
under
up
the
into
help
three
menu.
main areas. The
The
clip
editor
bin,
is
the
divided up
timeline,
into three
and the
main
canvas.
areas: the clip bin,
The
the
canvas is where
timeline,
you
and
see
the
your video
canvas.
during playback, and can
The
move,
canvas is where you
resize,
see your
and
video during
reposition
playback,
all media
and can
however you
move,
want.
resize, and reposition
The
all
timeline
media
is where you
however you
assemble
want.
and edit your video.
The timeline is where
At the
you
top of the
assemble and
timeline,
edit your
tick
video.
marks represent time in terms
At the
of
top of the
minutes and
timeline,
seconds.
tick marks represent
When
time in
building a
terms of
video,
minutes and
you'll work in a
seconds.
horizontal manner.
When
Beginning
building a
from the
video,
left
you'll
and
work in a
moving
horizontal
sequentially
manner,
in time toward the
beginning
right.
from the left and moving
The tracks are
sequentially
layered
through
on top
time
of
toward
each
the
other.
right.
So media you
The
add
tracks
on
are
higher
layered on
tracks
top of
is
each other.
viewed on top of
So
media
media you
on
add
lower
on
tracks in
higher
the
tracks
canvas.
is viewed on top of media
For
on
example,
lower tracks
this
in the
call-out
canvas.
is placed on top of the video track
For
on
example,
the timeline,
this
and
call-out is
therefore
placed on top of the video
screen
track on the
video
timeline,
canvas.
and therefore is on top
If
of
I
the
drag
screen
the
video
video
on the
track on
canvas.
top of the call-out on the timeline,
If I drag the
call-out
video
is now
track on
hidden
top of the
behind the
call-out on
video
the
on the
timeline,
canvas.
the call-out is now
Use
hidden
the zoom
behind the
slider
video
to
on the
magnify
canvas.
the view of the timeline.
Use
This
the
is
zoom
very
slider
helpful
to
when
magnify
making
the view of the
precise cuts and
timeline.
selections,
This is
like
very
removing
helpful when
ums in
making
your audio.
precise cuts and selections, like
New media
removing
can be
ums in
dragged
your
and
audio.
dropped on an existing track.
New media
Or
can
a
be
new
dragged
track is
and dropped on an
automatically created
existing
when
track.
media is dropped at
Or a
this
new track
location
is
at the top
automatically
of the
created
timeline.
when media is dropped at this
To change
location
the
at the
position
top
of
of
a
the
clip on the
timeline.
timeline, just drag it.
To change the position of a clip
To
on the
change the
timeline,
duration of a
just
clip,
drag it.
drag the edges in either
To
direction.
change the duration of a clip, drag the edges
An
in either
important part
direction.
of the timeline is the playhead.
An
To
important
view your
part of the
video,
timeline
click
is the
play.
playhead.
Notice how the
To view
video
your
and the
video,
timeline's
click
playhead
play.
stay in sync.
Notice how the video and the
Click
timeline's
anywhere along
playhead
the
stay in
timeline,
sync.
and the playhead moves to that
Click
point.
anywhere along the
To
timeline
remove a
and the
portion of
playhead
your
moves
video,
to that
make a
point.
selection with the green
To remove a
in point
portion of
and
your
red
video,
out point.
make a selection with the green
Then
in
click